Okay, this is video 2 of setting up the e-commerce store, and in this section we're going to be setting up the bot. Now in the first video we set up the store. This is going to be setting up the bot. Now I'm going to start from scratch and show you what some different things that you can do. I'm going to set up a bot, but first of all I want to set up some labels, because you can connect the keywords and labels to people that come into the bot. So you want to go to Subscription Manager, and it says labels or tags. Okay, so click on action, and I'm just going to create a new one, and I'm going to label it SociChat E-Commerce Demo. Okay, the page name. Select the page. There it is right there. And click on save. It is saved. All right, so now we can come back now. We can go back to the Messenger bot. Go to bot settings. Just make sure your page is selected. Now this is where you can start from scratch, and you can do a couple of different settings here. General settings. To want to have mark as seen on or off, I have that enabled. Chat with a human. So I put my email address, so whenever they want to select, whenever they want to chat with a real human being, for example, if no match is found, I can be notified and I can start communicating with them. If I want to get their email address, do I want to have it go to my autoresponder? Yes. Do I want to connect to an SMS API? I can select it here with a. So if they give you your phone number, you can send them a message right away. As well, you can do an auto reply using email integration. So I've selected one of my SMTP accounts, and this is the message that they get. Okay, there's their message reply. So I can expand this here a little bit. There we go. So you can put any message you want. You can expand that, by the way, and also your email subject. So that's you can save that when you're done. That's the general settings. Now you can do a couple different things here for your Get Started button. You can set up a persistent menu. So for example, if I go and click on, it says to create a persistent menu, you must first set up the Get Started button first. So let's go to the Get Started button. And so there's a Get Started button and a welcome message, or there's icebreakers. Okay, click on that and it'll show you what that is. Okay. Now you can have one or the other. You can't have both. Okay, so you either has to be this one or that one. So let's show you how the Get Started button works. So let's just click on that, and that tells you what that is. So welcome, first name, to my bot. Click on the Get Started button below to activate me. Okay, and you can have a little smiley face there. There we go. And so if I click on save, okay, so that's saved. Now if I click on send message, test button, let me just delete this conversation. Let me start over. So now you can see that there's a Get Started button down here, and it says, hi, welcome to my bot. And that's basically what I put right there, okay? A little smiley face. Now if I click on Get Started, hi, Mark, welcome to my page. So where does that come from? That comes from, okay, if you click on Action Menu Settings, it says Get Started Template. Hi, welcome to my page. And it says typing on display, 2 seconds. Because did you see the typing that was going on? Let me go back here again. Let me delete that. Click on the Get Started button. You see it looks like there's somebody typing there. See that? And then the message. Okay. So I can change this. I can change this template, and I can start to add buttons, and I can start creating my social store right here. And but I'm going to do it from another angle. You first have to decide which way you're going to come at it, and I'm going to come at it from another way. And so I'm going to come up here, and I'm going to go to the Get Started button right here. Okay, I'm going to disable the Get Started button. There, so now it's disabled. So now I'm going to enable the icebreaker. Now this is really cool. So for example, the first question is, do you want to demo my store? And you can select the template, and you can add a template. So let's just create one, and we'll come back to it, okay? And I'm going to put here, template name is going to be category. Let's say trending products. How about this? Okay. Okay, so I'm going to come back and I'm going to put in here product options. Okay. Or store options. And I'm going to come back here and put a ID options, and I can select label if I want. So for example, here we go. So if when they click on this, they're going to be go inside that label. And I'm going to have buttons here and display on typing. So I want to make sure it looks like they're typing. Set that to 2 seconds. And oops, there you go. Please click on one button to take your pick. I'll put trending products. There we go. And from here, we're going to do a post back. And there's no post backs created, so I'll just put right here, and I'll put trending products. So this will be, we're creating a child ID right here, post back ID. So trending products, there we go. I just hit enter, there you go. And I can put, from there, I can put why is post back? I put category. Why is, there we go. We're creating another child, add another button. I put our store. And I can put a web URL right there. See, so now if they want to see their store, you can go web view full and go back to where it says e-commerce. There's a store URL. See, there's a store. So here's the store page. So they go, so copy that right there, and you can go web view full. There we go. And we can put another reply, and we're going to put text with buttons, enable 2 seconds, and it's going to put oops, there you go, and instructions. I'll just use text. To test, we have a test credit card. That you can use with checkout. Okay, to demo our store. And I'll put card number 4242 4242 4242 4242. All right, there's right there. And number. Any digits. Any future date. Okay, there you go. So that's going to show them right there. And there we go. Text with buttons. And I will click on submit. That's been successful. That'll come, and I will close this. Okay, so now the template is inside there. Okay, so do you want to demo? So let's click on save. So that's saved. So let's go back here and let's let me delete this conversation. So instead of a get started button, they'll be asked a question. Do you want to demo a SociChat store? Sure. Please click on one of the buttons, okay, and then to demo our store. Okay, so there's right there. So there's the, now if I click on that, there's nothing's going to happen, okay, because I have not created a child menu there. So, okay, so let me come back here. I'll just delete that. All right, so let's go back here and let's go to Messenger Bot and go to Postback Manager. And you'll see that that's the one that we created already. This is the parent ID. So this is the parent ID. Now we need to create child ones. Okay, so let's put for category. Category wise, select the page. It can be child. And there's the one. There's the one right there. Category wise. We can select labels if we want, but we've already done that. And here we can put quick replies. Okay. So the quick replies are going to be, you can do up to 11 of them. And the reason why we're going to do that is we can put the different categories. Okay, so we'll put 2 seconds here. Please select pick your desired product. Okay, and so we'll put, for example, t-shirts, and we'll do another post back. And of course, we need to do another, which one that they want. So we're going to put t-shirt, shirt. Okay, and we will put, oops, we need to hit enter, right? So t-shirt. So we're creating another child post back, another button. And you can do up to 11, t-shirt, and we'll put a half sleeve shirt. It's going to be post back. Shirt, hit enter, add another button, and we will put, these are all the categories. Another post back. Shirt, oops, hit enter, and just put all different categories there. And we'll put shoes, watches, jeans, and jackets. Okay, once you're done that, you can click on submit. Oop, provide a post back. Forgot to hit enter. Jackets, hit enter. There you go. There, now click on submit. That's successful. So now if we come back here, we'll see that we test this again. Yes. So if I click on category wise, you'll see that all the categories come right here. You see that? So that's what happens when they click on categories. So now we're going to continue with if I click on store, we already done that one. There's the store, okay? And so people can come here and they can select, which category they want and so forth, okay? And they can choose to purchase, choose options, and they come and pick what size they want, right? Large, add to cart. Okay, so one's added to cart, so I click on there. You can come here and you can put in your billing address. You can copy for your delivery address and proceed to checkout. See that? And so that's how it is right there. So let's create the. So if you click on one of these here, there's nothing there though. Okay. So let's go back, and we'll continue with the category. So now let's go to Postback Manager. And this one is going to be t-shirt. Select your page. It's going to be a child. And select the t-shirt category. Okay. And click the button. And it's actually going to be the button. Enable, so it looks like there's a human being typing. Thank you. Please button below to look at your category choices. There you go. And we'll put t-shirts. And we will put a web URL full. And now you come back to the store and you look for the category for the t-shirts. See that? So you come down here, category for t-shirts, or you can click on here and click copy and put that right in there. See that? Isn't that cool? And if you come back here and add another button, there you go. Click on submit. You have to create a post back for each of the categories. So that's the category. So now if I come back here and if I click on category wise again, and if I click on t-shirt, cool. Click on t-shirts. Okay, so now these are all the t-shirts. Okay, there's a Panda one. There's 4 of them that we created, and there's one that we checked out with already. So let's do another one. I'll do another one, and then you can do the rest. You have to do one for each category. So let's put the half sleeve. T-shirt. Select your page. This is a child one. This is the category. And with the button. Enable this. Please click on button below to product choices and put half sleeve. And have the web view full. Come back here and look for the half sleeve. There we go. Click on submit. That's successful. So if I test the bot now, category wise, half sleeve shirt. Click on there, and there's a half sleeve. All right. All right, so I'm going to pause this, and I'm going to continue to make the child postback manager for all the categories. Okay, so let me just pause this, and I'll come back. Okay, so we've created all the child postback IDs for all the categories. So now if I come back here, and if I look at each one here, I can just come back here, and I'll click on the category wise. Here's these are all quick replies. So if I click on, for example, shoes or pant jeans, there you go, pant jeans. There you go. That opens up. Oh, could not find any product. Let me come back here. Let's see what's happening here. First of all, I'll click on that. and make sure everything's okay. ID and text buttons. Let me go back to the store manager. Then go to products. Make sure there's a pant jeans there. Oh, we never created the pant jeans product. There you go. Let's add the product. And there's we created the category, pant jeans. We created the sizes. And let's just put 68 jeans. And picture, and there's some jeans there. There we go. That's saved. So let's go back here. Click on that again. There we go. So let's just stop this right now, and because the final video, the third video, we're going to be going over the third button, which is trending products. Okay. I'll come back.